Looking for a deadbolt that combines solid security with easy installation? The Amazon Basics contemporary round deadbolt door lock delivers just that. With its sleek matte black finish, it fits seamlessly into any modern home while providing dependable protection you can trust. Installation won't slow you down. This lock installs quickly using a standard Phillips head screwdriver. No specialized tools required. Plus, its fully reversible lever means it works perfectly on both right-handed and left-handed doors, so you don't have to worry about compatibility. What really sets this deadbolt apart is its versatility. It fits doors ranging from 1-3/8 to 1-3/4 thick, covering the majority of residential door sizes. The 6-way adjustable latch adjusts to fit either a 2-3/8 or 2-3/4 backset, making it adaptable to different door frames without extra hassle. Security is certified at Grade 3 by ANSI, BHMA standards, ensuring it meets strict requirements for durability and strength. That means you're getting a lock that's not just affordable but also reliable enough to keep your home safe day after day. Customers across the United States have praised this deadbolt, noting it performs as well as or better than many big-name brands. It's an excellent value, especially if you've installed locks before and want a no-fuss, trustworthy option that doesn't break the bank. If you want a deadbolt that's straightforward to install, fits almost any door, and offers solid security backed by certification, this model deserves a look. Its matte black design adds a modern touch while staying functional and durable. Worth a look if you're upgrading your home security without the premium price tag. The Amazon Basics contemporary round deadbolt is a smart choice for homeowners who want dependable protection and easy installation in one package. Try it when you're ready to secure your home with confidence. This deadbolt offers what matters most: ease, flexibility, and certified security, all in a clean, contemporary design.